Hey Spicer fans, Zach Heisey here at the Dana Garage. Today we're going to talk to you about some of the useful calculators that Dana has on its websites, danaaftermarket.com and spicerparts.com. Another useful calculator is the engine RPM calculation tool. What this does is allow you to put in some of the basic specs of your vehicle, and it'll give you the approximate engine RPM. And you can also play with it to see what would happen if you changed your gear ratio or your tire size and what effect that would have on the rest of the systems. So we go to spicerparts.com or danaaftermarket.com, we go to the calculators menu, engine RPM calculator, and let's say our Jeep came stock with, say, 3.73 gears, 373 gears, and we want to go to 37-inch tires, and we want to cruise down the highway at 65 miles an hour. If we have an automatic, our engine RPM is only going to be, it's not even going to be 1600 RPMs, which is not in the correct power band to be out on the highway. So that's why when you go up here and you change the gear ratio to 4.88 with a 37-inch tire and you recalculate, brings the engine RPMs up to about 2100 RPMs, which is more appropriate for highway cruising. It puts the engine in the proper power band. That's a perfect example of why you change the gears to match your tire size. And this calculator allows you to see which gear ratio and tire size is right for your vehicle.